Today is July 8th, 2025. Today is July 8th, 2025. This is xNyyct, host of the updates, bringing you your daily GD 2.3 update. There's been no news about GD 2.3 today, but 𝗟𝗏 made a completely working Rubik's Cube like a year ago. He wanted to post this in the community news once it got rated, but up until today, this level stayed unrated. I mean, of course, it does not look like the next legendary, but hey, I think this deserves at least like a rate, right? But what do you guys think? Maybe there's some mod watching this and feels like, yeah, this looks cool enough for being sent and maybe rated. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃 would also rate this one. He probably just never saw the level. Let's pray for the best. Anyways, in other news, 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗺 beats �hypersonic as his new hardest and his 100th demon.
Yes!
𝗟𝗏𝗃 got the doggy energy. 𝗟𝗏𝗃 basically beat Heart Machine after getting a doggy rate. GG, man.
What? Yo! I'm done, bro. It's the greatest day of my life. This is the greatest day.
Okay, 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗺, please, I don't know how to pronounce that. Basically, the guy who is verifying Flame Wall hit 76%. Only 24% left. Oh my god, come on, man, let's go!
¡Sí! ¡Vamos!
Bro, the 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 has started. The player called 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 was recently able to complete the extreme demon Ion, and it ended up placing on the first on the egg demon list. What? Bro, why is there an egg list? Bro, watch out, my next video will be like just a single egg. The thumbnail will be an egg. I'm gonna beat Stair Madness with an egg, and it will hit 100,000 likes. Bro. But anyway, guys, that's all for today. Let's move into the quiz. But anyway, make sure to join my Discord so you can submit your news or even your own quizzes. I'm going to be attempting to beat a new hardest at 50,000 subscribers, so be sure to subscribe. Make also sure to leave a follow on my Twitch channel so you can catch me live. Shout out to all my YouTube members and Twitch subscribers. You're all amazing people who are carrying this channel hard. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.